Hello, so today I'm going to be making some Estonian inspired food. If you don't know, I am from Estonia. It's a teeny tiny little country in Europe. But we have, our traditional dishes, as every country has. And one of them is, it's like a roll, and it usually has ground beef and rice, or it can have egg and rice with usually dill. I just do the crescent Pillsbury ones instead. It's just easier. Of course, it doesn't taste like how it would taste if you got it freshly made at a bakery in Estonia. But I mean, it's similar. Definitely the bread is what sets it apart. But I just haven't experimented enough with making dough myself to do it. So for this recipe you need crescent rolls, white rice, ground beef, and dill. You can also do egg as well, or potato, sorry. Tiger. So we're going to make the rice, and then we'll cook the ground beef. We'll cook the ground beef, and after all of that is prepared, we're just going to roll out the crescent rolls and add the ingredients to each one, roll them up, and bake them in the oven. Also, I'm going to put like a glaze of egg wash over it so it'll make it golden. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to go help my cat with whatever issues he has now. What's going on? What is it? Nothing now? You just wanted attention? Okay, so now that those are in the oven, we're gonna let them bake for 9 to 12 minutes. You just want to make sure that the top of them are like golden brown. And then we'll take them out and they're ready to eat once they cool down. So, or not cool down, but cool to the point where you're not gonna burn your mouth.